back to my channel. So to kick off the new year, I want to give you guys some cleaning and decluttering motivation today. And that's what this video is going to be about. And as you can see, we are in my youngest daughter's closet because I have a lot of videos coming up for you guys that have to do with cleaning and decluttering, because when it comes to New Year, we always want to have New Year's resolutions, and one of them is always to get organized and declutter. And I definitely need to do this in my home, you guys. I've been working hard at work and never having time for my house, and so I have been on vacation for 2 weeks because, like I told you guys before, I work at a school. So I've had 2 weeks off to stay at home, and so this was the perfect time to declutter my home. Now, I want to start with the closets first, and the reason why I want to start with the closets, when you think about the home and you think about decluttering, some people usually think about the kitchen first, but I think the closets are the most important thing to start with when you're cleaning and decluttering for the new year. And it's for two reasons. Because cleaning and decluttering your closet will not only save you time, but money in the new year. It will save you time because, think about it, when you start your day for work or for school, wherever you're going to go, the first thing you do is get dressed. And you will save so much time if you declutter and clean your closets, because you will always find what you're looking for to get dressed that morning. It'll also save you money because you won't be over buying clothes that you already have. Sometimes we clean out our closets and we have purses, bags, belts, shirts, pants, shoes that we thought we didn't have because they were buried away in our closets. But when you clean and declutter, you see what you have, what you don't want, what you haven't worn the whole year, and it just helps you out saving money wise so that you can buy the things that you need and not overspend. So today's video is going to be a clean and motivational video with me. So if you guys want to clean along with me, then get in your comfy clothes like I am and clean along with me. But we're going to start with my daughter's closets because my youngest daughter, she tends to have the room that I always have to go through all the time. So I want to start in her closet first. So hers is a walk-in closet, and the angles that I'm going to be showing with you are going to be kind of weird. I'm going to try to get as much as I can for you guys to give you motivation, but I felt later on this week on Saturday I will share with you guys how I organize her closet on a budget. But for today's video, I want to give you guys some motivation to clean for today, and then we'll show you the organizational tips in another video. So again, if you want to clean along with me, come along and let's get started on cleaning and decluttering this closet. Now, to wipe down the closet, I'm going to be using this Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the scent of peppermint. I recently talked to you guys about this in a Grove Collaborative haul and review, how I did like it, but it wasn't something that I would purchase again as far as like the price, because they do spike up the price because it's a holiday scent. But I do like cleaning with peppermint when it has to do with the closet and the corners and the baseboards, because spiders do not like peppermint. So I love using this, any type of cleaning spray that has peppermint in it, whether it's one that I buy or one that I make homemade myself. I love using it to clean the baseboards and the corners so that it, prevents spiders from coming. So I'm going to wipe down all the stains that I have seen on the walls and on the shelves and the baseboards. Now, I love using Sterilite drawers to organize anything in my home, especially my daughter's clothes, because they are plastic. So before, I had them decorated in this pretty colored paper, scrapbook paper, and then if you see, I have pictures of the different types of clothing that the drawer, housed, which was like socks or panties or jeans or play clothes. But I decided that I'm actually switching up the patterns in her room, and I'm actually going to make it put some marble contact paper instead. So right now I'm just taking the paper off that I had before to decorate it, and then I'm cleaning them out, and then I'm going to cover them with marble contact paper. Okay, so now you guys have seen that I completely cleared out the closet, and you don't have to do this to declutter. I just do this because it's actually an easier way to get everything out and give that closet a good clean, because sometimes we don't clean behind our clothes in our closets and they need a good scrub down as well, and that's great to do in the new year. So I took out all the clothes, and I have like the ones that are on hangers on the bed, and the folded ones are down here. And you guys saw me take out the bins, and I took out the original labels that they had, because I'm going to relabel them and wipe them down. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go through the folded clothes, and I have these two containers back here, which one says donate and one says trash. And these are just pop-up hangers that you can get from Dollar Tree. You know, I love my Dollar Tree. And you can easily fold them away and put them away. But whenever you're doing decluttering, I always suggest to have two bins, one for donation and one for trash, because it's just easier to sort things that way. And normally I would put trash bags in these, and that way once this is full I could just tie them up. But I don't have any cheap trash bags right now, so I don't want to waste those. But I have a whole bunch of HEB, Walmart plastic bags. So once this gets filled up, I'm going to put them in those bags, and the same thing I'm going to do with the trash. But I like having the pop-up bins to use for donate and trash, because when you're done with this, they fold up and you can easily put them under your bed or in a closet somewhere, and they don't take up a lot of space. So if you're also an organizational, person who does it in different people's houses, this is great to have, because you can carry this around in your car and it doesn't take up a lot of room. A lot of people, when they sit there and use donate and trash bins, they use actual bins that take up a lot of room, and this won't. So that's what I do for mine. Another thing I will say, I did say I'm going to do closet organization today and clean with me, but I know that could be a lot and be overwhelming, and it is to do like a whole closet, especially my daughter who has a walk-in closet. And the reason why she has so many clothes is because since she's the youngest, the older one, whenever she doesn't fit stuff, it goes into her closet. So she does have hand-me-downs and also has new clothes as well. So that's why she has so many clothes, which is another reason why I had to go through all these clothes as well, because I needed to see what fits her now and what doesn't fit her now, so that I could put them in upper storage for when she can fit them later. So that's why she has so much clothes, because she gets hand-me-downs from her sister. So what I would suggest is, if you don't want to take over the big task of decluttering your closet, I would suggest to do little parts of the closet, like break it down. Like decluttering and organization doesn't have to be a big project, which that's why a lot of people put it off. That's why I put it off too as well, because I'm a perfectionist. I would suggest to focus on one task at a time in each group. So like today I'm doing decluttering the closet, but I'm going to focus on the clothes. So when you do this, you can focus on the clothes that are in the closet, and then the next day you can focus on the clothes that are in the drawer. I'm actually doing both, because I use these drawers inside my daughter's closet, so we're going to do both today, and I have time to do it. And I love these Sterilite drawers, because I've had these exact drawers since my oldest, who's 13 now, since she was in my stomach. So these drawers have lasted me a long time. I know a lot of people might not like these drawers. They say that they break fast, but I've had this one for about 13 years. And they last me a long time. I've used them in different parts of my house. I love using these. They're great for kid storage because they're plastic and they're not heavy. They won't fall on them. And you can bring them out of the closet and organize them. So again, you don't have to take everything out to organize. I just like taking everything out, and I'm actually going to be watching a show on Netflix and kind of sort things out to make it easier for me. So as long as I'm watching something, it doesn't make it I don't even know how to say that word. It doesn't make it a task that takes a long time. Well, a dreadful task. There we go. And so, yeah, so let's just start with this decluttering. I'm going to see what I'm going to keep, and I'm going to put them in these drawers, and what I'm going to donate, and what's going to be trash. So I went through all the folded clothes and even the clothes that were in here that were too big for her and decided what I'm going to keep. And I put them away in this bin. I've organized everything back into the drawers that I want to keep, that are going to go in her closet. And then she has 2 containers. I actually keep some containers like this underneath her bed because her bed is kind of high for underneath storage for the big bulky clothes like her pajamas and her play clothes, which she has a lot of. And I will show you all that when I show you how I organize it. I'm going to take a break and go cook dinner, and while dinner's cooking, then I'm going to attack the hanger ones and then put everything back and kind of show you how everything is before I label. I will probably make the labels tonight, and then again I will show you guys how I labeled everything on this Saturday video. Now this closet has another side to it. So this is the other kind of corner part of this closet. Like I told you guys, it's a walk-in closet. So on this side, I just plan to really take out the shoes. I'm going to store them a different way and kind of clean out this area as well. And then up here is going to stay the memory section. Basically, I keep the girls' memory boxes up there and photo albums. And I am done decluttering and cleaning this closet, you guys. Look how more clean it looks. I didn't get to show you guys me vacuuming and me actually cleaning the baseboards because my camera actually stopped recording and I didn't know it would stop recording. So the only thing that you guys don't have on camera is me vacuuming, and then I did clean the baseboards. I like to wipe down the baseboards whenever I clean. So right here I still have this stain that I don't know what Brianna put. She kind of like stained it right there, and I just let the thing sit. And I'm gonna have basically all the long dresses on this side. So I don't have everything organized the way I wanted to. I just put everything back. So basically today was cleaning and decluttering, and that's what I did. So stay tuned on Saturday. I will show you how I label everything, how I organize everything in here. But so far, today's mission was decluttering, and I did just that. I have to move this because it's going to get on my nerves that little ribbon is dangling. That little ribbon is dangling over the bookcase. This is mostly where I keep her dresses and stuff at. I always keep them on this side, and I tend to keep the clothes, the main clothes, on this side. But everything is organized in the bins. As you can see, remember at the beginning of the video, I had baskets on the top of this where I had to keep her, panties, her socks, her bathing suits. But because I decluttered and simplified a lot of things, I'm able to fit all the clothes in these bins, and so I didn't need any baskets. And I was able to clear everything up there, which right now I have no idea. I have no plans to put anything up there, but if I do need to put something away, I have space for it. So this this closet is much more cleaner. I just have to label, which again, on Saturday's video, I will show you guys how I label and organize different things in this closet. But the main thing today was to declutter a lot of these clothes. And this right here is where she has all her purses and bags. I'm going to save that for tomorrow because we're going to go through her bags and her shoes together. So that would be, I won't do a video decluttering that, but you guys will see the organization on Saturday's video. But here is the closet once again, all decluttered and organized. I'm trying to go slow. This is my camera phone, and it tends not to focus very well, but I like using this one to get a better panoramic of things, especially this closet space where it's kind of hard to video for you guys. But as you can see, I've decluttered a whole lot. But I can't wait to share with you guys on Saturday's video how I label everything. So I hope I gave you guys some motivation today to declutter and clean some part of your home. I always suggest to start with the closets because, like I said, that helps you out, not only save time but money. And that's, like, I think the best part to start in your household for the new year is to declutter either your closet or your kids' closet, because it's just so helpful. Stay tuned to Saturday's video. Like I said before, I'm going to show you more of this closet on how I label and organize things. If you guys have been following my channel for a long time, you guys know I love to label things and I love things to be organized. So I want to do that as a separate video because I will have some free printables for you guys in case you guys like them as well. So stay tuned to that video. And again, I hope this gave you motivation. You guys always give me motivation to get up and clean, because I mean, you guys are dependent on the videos to motivate you, so I love doing them for you guys. So it's like we're motivating each other. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.